So today we're looking at the visuals of Cybercat X, and this is something that I designed with the fur. So here we are in Blender camera view. So getting out of camera view, we're looking at the 3D environment, and essentially we have three things going on here. Let me click on the background, push H to hide it, and then we got our lights, one up top, one down below, and we have our camera, and we have our object ourselves. So the object, the rest is self-explanatory. The object was put in here, and if you go down here, you can go to properties and go to different things. Like I had to insert a particle system and then transfer it to hair, and then after that you can set your hair strength and the number of hair particles, segments, and just play around with all of that. After I did that, I went to my shadings tab, and then you can see there's a couple of inserts in here. I deleted everything. I added a color ramp and gave it three different colors: black, gray, and orange. And then I added a noise texture with the 3D. Turned the roughness up to 50%, and played around with a little bit till I got, a texture that I liked. So if you play with it, you could get different things going, kind of like that. But I was going for black and white, so I left it at that. After that, I kind of brought in my plane. And with the plane, I kind of did some coloring on it. If you go down to that materials tab, I just added a blue surface, turned the metallic all the way up 100%, the roughness down so I get that shine. Same thing, with the lights, got the lights going. Let me change it to the mode we have, put it back in camera. Then I got this going. With the lights going, kind of give it a good lighting background. Alright, now let me show you what I did in Resolume. If I pull up just the picture, you can run through some filters like right above it and get some cool effects. If go through a couple of these, double them up, you get different kind of things going here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You put that behind some music, you have some good stuff going there. But I just love this Resolume program because you get some crazy. And then you can hit record like right here, and then once you're done, you have a video like this. And you can just play it on repeat, maybe add some more different things to it. But yeah, that's how I do it.